So can you highlight fraction and mixed number? Now what is the concept? If I want to add or subtract, what must I do? I must make sure you have the same what? Denominator. Can you write that down? Who's the last? Who is the last one to write the word denominator? Who is the last one to write denominator? Okay, so I want to add subtract fraction. I got to make sure they are the same denominator. Okay, denominator. Now, if multiply, the idea is change to mixed number. Change into improper fraction first. Then multiply the number together, multiply the denominator together. Okay. Now, can you write one example at the side so it's very easy to understand? For number 1, this is my number 1. Can you write down 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3? Is this easy? Yes. Yes? Yes. Yes? Yes. Adrian, what is the common denominator? 6. What must I do to the 2 so that this is the very familiar thing that we do. So over here I use another color. This one I say, oh, times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. So I have 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. What can you do? 5 over 6. Can you write down 3 plus 2, and this is equals to 5 over 6. You need to simplify into like that. But I purposely write this 3 plus 2 because later you won't see number, you will see alphabet. So that's why I want you to write this step. Can you follow? Okay. Now, but what if I multiply? I multiply. Can you tell me what is? Can you tell me what is 1 over 2 times 3 over 5? Question. Ready? Do I need to change to same denominator? Do I need to change to same denominator? Yeah. Oh. Multiply? No need. So what do I do? Top times top. Bottom times bottom. So can you write down? 1 times 3. Can you write down? 1 times 3 bottom. 2 times 5. Press your calculator. 3 over 10. Hashtag. Simplify, no need. You can't simplify anyway. 3 over 10. Now, 2a. What if it's a mixed number? What do you have to do?
Convert the mixed number first.
Yeah. So convert, what do I do? 2 times 1 divided by plus. Plus 1. So 3 over 2 times 3 over 5. So what do I do? 3 times 3 over 2 times 5. This is 9 over 10. Ta-da! Easy? Yeah, very easy, right? All done? Can I move down the screen? Can you highlight as well? Remember, always you must reduce to the lowest step. Reduce to the lowest step. Cannot. This is a common misunderstanding. You think that you want to take 3 times 5, 3 times 2. No. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Change that thinking. Okay. Top times top, bottom. See? Multiply the numerator together, multiply the denominator together. So nothing to do with cross. Okay, next. Division, simple. What do you do? If it's division, what do you do? Change to what? Change to multiply.
Which is the second number?
Can I give you the example, everyone? Highlight the divide by 4/7. Xiajun, what's the friend name in front of you? Kai Chi. So divide by 4/7, very simple. I change to multiply, then I swap the denominator and numerator around. Can you follow? So now become 4/7, now becomes 7/4. Then what do you do next, Max? 2 times what? 2 times what? Next, 2 times what? 7. Then 3 times? Like that. Okay? Can. You can divide. Right, let's try the first question, huh? Yes, the difference is if you take numerator times denominator wrong. Take numerator times numerator correct. That's the difference. Okay, try the first one. What do you do first? Shi Ting. What do you do first? Times. Abhishek, she say times. Can you help me complete? What times what first? Which one times which one? These two first. Wrong. Why? Because your Aunt Sally say cannot. Remember what your Aunt Sally say? Aunt Sally say must do what first? Multiply and divide first. You must do multiply and divide first. So which one must you do first? Not these two, but the second and third one. Can you follow? Abhishek, second and third one means I will copy the 2/3. Abhishek, copy the 2/3 plus 2 times 1 over 9 times 4. Abhishek, recall your primary school. What can I do to the 2 and 4? Do you still remember how to simplify?
Yes, I know.
Not you. You do. The rest don't wait, just complete the whole thing. Abhishek, still remember 2 and 4, what can happen? Do you still remember? No. Can. What happen? Divide by one number. What number is that? 2. Can you help me? What happened when I take 2 divided by 2? 1. What happened when I take 4 divided by 2? 2. Therefore, I will have 1 over 18. Now I want to plus. Jesse. Plus. How to plus? Must change what? Very good. What denominator is that? 3. Change to what? Very good. Both top and bottom must do what? Times 6. Very good. So can you times 6 now? So now I have 12 over 18 plus 1 over 18. Abhishek, what will happen? So top will plus together. Bottom? No. So the answer is 13 out of 18. Hashtag. I pause the video now and then you continue. Let's do 3 together. Now, how do I change this to mixed number? Very simple. No. Improper fraction is you take 4 times 2, then you plus 3 over 4. Okay? So Kylie, can you help me the next one? 3 times 5 plus 3 over 5. Okay. So this is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 15 plus 3 is 18 over 5. So Zahira, what must I do next? What is that same denominator? 20. So this one must times what? First one must times 5. Second one times 4. So press your calculator. 55 plus, what is 18 times 4? 172. 72. Divide by 20. So this is 127 over 20. Kindly, how do I change this improper fraction? I press calculator. Understand? Press calculator. So you get 6 and 7 over 20. You find a mistake?
Yeah, I wrote wrongly.
There's no such thing as you wrote wrongly. It's because you are not careful. So be more careful and you are okay. Right, pause the video here, complete the rest. Question 4, which one do I do first? The times. Can you tell me what to write? The first one you want to convert to improper or not? Convert. So convert improper, what do you get? 24 plus 5. Do you get 29 out of 8? Okay. Minus. How do you multiply? Improper. Do you change to improper? Improper. Improper give you what? 4 out of 3 times 1 out of 2. Now, then I do which one? I do the multiply together. So what does it mean? 29 over 8 minus 4 times 1 over 3 times 2. Am I correct? I think at this stage, some of you wrong already because I got 3 different answers. So what do I do here? 4 and 2. I can divide by what? 2, right? I divide by 2. So what do I get? This one divide by 2, I'll get 2. This one divide by 2, I get 1. So what's the answer? Minus what? 2 out of 3. Am I correct? How many of you have this so far? Okay, good. Huh? Good. So few. Got this one like that? Got somewhere in your working got this one? Good. Okay. Next step, what do you do? Shiting, what do you do? If I have something, what do I do? Yeah. What will you do if you have something like that? Change what? Change. Then you find a mistake. No. Yeah, I times first what? I ignore the minus. I times first.
I never changed the whole number.
Yeah, but Shiting, you never change the whole number to make fraction. To improper fraction. Okay, Shiting, if I have 8 and 3, what is the common denominator? 8 times 3, So what do you get? 24. So I change another color again. Here I will times 8 times 8. Here I will times 3 times 3. So what do I get? 87 out of 24 minus 16 out of 24. So what's the answer? 71 out of 24. So the answer is 2 whole 23 out of 24. So this is correct. Can you now press your calculator? Let's start. 2 minus 1 quarter. Do you know how to do? Now, I know calculator can do it. But let's say you don't use calculator. It's actually 2 over 1. Now, this one you can convert to same denominator. What is the same denominator for the second bracket? 6. So you times 2 times 2. Am I correct? Okay. Now I want all of you to take note where is your mistake. I don't want to copy again. So this one times 4, this one times 4. So what do I get? I will get 8 minus 1 over 4 divided by Darren 1 minus 8 over 6. I press calculator. This is 7 over 4 divided by negative 7 over 6. So far okay? Now try not to correction tape. Try to circle with pen. Then you see. If you correction tape, you never learn. Understand? Circle the mistake, then you see the mistake. Now what happened after next, Abhishek? You change a sign to another sign. What do you change? Divide to times. So you must know that this is together. And now we go 7 over 4 times what? 6 over negative 7. Multiply means what? Top times. Brian, what did you say? No. Is it Brian? Someone say something. Okay, now. Next, what do I do? 7 times 6. 4 times negative 7. Now, let's try. What do you want? Can divide by 7 by what? Divide 7 by what? Oh, I lose everyone already. Everyone is either lost or not listening already. 7 and 7 divided by what? 7. 7 divided by 7 gives you what? 1. Can you help me? This is 1. Negative 7 divided by 7? Negative 1. What about 6 and 4? Both can divide by a number. 2. So divide 6 by 2. 3. Divide 2 by 2. 2. Multiply 3 over negative 2. Negative 1.5. Oh. So only 1 is correct. Only this is correct. Okay? Yeah, the whole thing is negative. Okay? Now, do your homework. I will see you when school reopen next Thursday. Huh? What worksheet? What worksheet? Yeah.